So, today in this session, we will see how the centralized system works in IBM Maximo. So, the centralized data is across all operational assets. It integrates workflows into unified management systems. It tracks the work orders in real time efficiently. It provides dashboards for better operational visibility, automation, maintenance, scheduling, and resource allocation. It streamlines the communication between the departments seamlessly. Then it ensures the consistency of data across all the locations. It generates the reports for performance monitoring tasks, then supports the decision making with the consolidated analytics tools, and then it enables the scalability for multi-site operations management. So all these are the ways how the IBM Maximo works towards centralizing the system. Then we will see how IBM Maximo integrates seamlessly with the different enterprise systems. So it connects to the different ERP systems for streamlining the operations. It also integrates with the IoT Internet of Things for real time insights. It syncs with SCM for inventory management. It aligns with CRM for customer asset visibility. The API based integrations also it enables for data exchange. It uses the middleware tools to ensure seamless connectivity. The most important IBM MQ message queuing and message broker is the middleware tool that Maximo uses. It supports the cloud platforms for global access. It links the HR systems. It provides adapters for industry standard systems. And then finally, it automates the workflows for enterprise wide consistency. Now we will see how IBM Maximo ensures regulatory compliance for assets, which is very important. We have to ensure the compliance regulatory. So, how it does is that it tracks the asset data for compliance reporting. It monitors inspections to meet legal standards. It schedules audits. It documents the maintenance for audit ready records. It aligns the processes with industry specific regulations. It flags the non compliance issues. It generates the reports for regulatory body. It automates the updates to meet changing requirements, ensuring certifications for critical asset operations, and integrating the compliance data into management workflows. So, these all really help us to ensure that the regulatory compliance for all the assets are been managed properly in IBM Maximo. Thank you very much.